In the heart of the Israel-Hamas conflict, a profound decision emerges: the rebuilding of the Third Temple in Jerusalem. This ancient city, revered by Judaism, Christianity, and Islam, faces intricate challenges: site disputes, permits, funding hurdles. Amidst the complexities, global mediators strive to navigate the impact of war, seeking unity through shared spaces and interfaith dialogue. The ongoing conflict poses a formidable barrier, testing the quest for common ground in constructing the Third Temple. In the midst of the ongoing Israel-Hamas conflict, a significant development has unfolded as Jewish people express their determination to rebuild the Third Temple in Jerusalem. The city holds immense religious importance for Judaism, Christianity, and Islam, making the endeavor a complex and sensitive undertaking. This article delves into the challenges faced in the construction of the Third Temple, ranging from site selection and permits to design, funding, and the intricate web of international negotiations. The significance of Jerusalem. Jerusalem's sacredness stems from its role as a holy city in three major religions: Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. For Jews, it houses the historical remnants of their ancient temples, making it a focal point for spiritual connection. Christians regard it as the place of Jesus Christ's crucifixion and resurrection, while Muslims consider it the third holiest city after Mecca and Medina. The shared religious heritage makes any construction project in Jerusalem a delicate matter, requiring careful consideration and cooperation. Challenges in building the Third Temple. 1. Site selection. Selecting a suitable location for the Third Temple is a contentious issue. The proposed site must respect the religious sentiments of all parties involved, adding a layer of complexity to an already intricate process. 2. Permits. Acquiring the necessary permits for construction requires navigating through bureaucratic hurdles. The challenge lies in ensuring that the permits granted are fair and just, respecting the diverse religious affiliations tied to the city. 3. Design. Designing the Third Temple involves striking a balance between preserving historical elements and incorporating modern architectural principles. The challenge is to create a structure that resonates with the rich history of the region, while meeting contemporary construction standards. 4. Funding. Securing funding for such a monumental project is no small feat. The financial aspects involve collaboration between various stakeholders, and ensuring transparency in fundraising is crucial to garner support from the international community. 5. Construction complexities. The actual construction process brings forth engineering challenges, further complicated by the region's geopolitical situation. Coordinating construction efforts amidst ongoing conflicts poses a unique set of difficulties. International mediation. International mediators, including the United States, Jordan, and Egypt, play pivotal roles in facilitating discussions between the involved parties. Their aim is to create a conducive environment for dialogue, fostering understanding and cooperation despite the tumultuous backdrop of the Israeli-Hamas war. The delicate diplomatic dance is aimed at finding common ground that respects the religious sensitivities of all involved parties. Impact of Israeli-Hamas war. The ongoing conflict between Israel and Hamas has added layers of complexity to the negotiations surrounding the Third Temple. The heightened tensions and security concerns have inevitably impacted the temple project, necessitating a careful and measured approach to ensure the safety of those involved in the construction process. Proposed solutions. 1. Shared religious spaces. One proposed solution involves the creation of shared religious spaces that can be accessed and utilized by members of different faiths. This approach aims to promote inclusivity and foster a sense of unity amidst diversity. 2. Interfaith dialogue for reconciliation. Another avenue for resolving differences is through interfaith dialogue. Engaging in open conversations about shared values and aspirations can pave the way for reconciliation, creating a foundation for collaborative efforts in building the Third Temple. Challenges in finding common ground. The ongoing conflict exacerbates the challenges in finding common ground for the construction of the Third Temple. It requires a delicate balance between addressing the immediate concerns of the conflict and fostering a long-term vision for peaceful coexistence. The path to consensus is fraught with obstacles, demanding a commitment to dialogue and compromise from all parties involved. In the intricate dance between history, faith, and conflict, the journey to rebuild the Third Temple in Jerusalem remains a testament to human resilience. As international mediators persist in their efforts, the hope for shared spaces and interfaith understanding stands strong. a beacon of potential reconciliation amid the ongoing challenges.